tears hot and wild for the loss of a boy that I loved as a child.
Please.
So I am stretched on your grave, and I'll lie here forever. If your hands were in mine, I'd be sure they would not sell. My apple tree, my brightness, it's time we were together.
Well done, boys.
For I smell of the earth, and I'm worn by the weather.
All but one gone accounted for.
Then, sir, I resign my commission.
Good. Good. So, I am no longer your superior officer, and you're no longer my subordinate. And therefore, regulations permit me to offer you this. I'm a simple man, but a good man. And my admiration for you has turned to love. I don't ask for love in return, just recognition that we are like minds, we're shared values. Grace, will you marry me?
Mr. Campbell, you deserve better.
Is it him between us? Is it the beast that dug that grave? Is it him?
My resignation will be with you in the morning.
Dad?
Hello, son. May I ask who gave you my whereabouts?
Mars said you left him last night with a bill for your horse.
Well, at least we got to say goodbye, son. And a bit of fond adieu to your dear brothers, would ya?
How could you do this to us?
Do what, son?
All that stuff you said about the Shelby casino and Atlantic City.
Well, if the truth be told, I'm not so acquainted with that promised land as I had thee believe.
You're a fucking liar and a thief. Now you give me back my fucking money.
Do not despise the thief who steals to satisfy his starvation. That's in the Holy Bible, son. And I have starved for so very long. So fare thee well, son.
I waited for you. I waited.
Listen to me, boy. There's nothing to prize ring now. Ever put your hands on me again, I'll cut your fucking throat and spread you on these tracks.
Where's your father? I'm assuming he's fritting away the 500 you took from us and put into his thieving, whore-groping hands. What were you thinking? How dare you do something like that without talking to Thomas or me?
Just tell me now.
No. But you're gonna tell him.
You may take satisfaction in a great victory. A terrible consequence has been avoided. Those guns that we dug up will never be used to murder the innocent or usurp the status quo. But even though we have solved a crime, we have as yet failed to punish the criminal. This man who dug this grave has also dug his own. He has proved a deadly menace to the king's peace. And tonight we will strike him down. We will drive our sword through his black heart. We will pursue him into the rat holes that he infests. And finally, we will rid this city of his kind. Justice will be done and will be seen to be done. Amen.
There's going to be trouble now, Finn. You look after yourself, do you hear me? I'm going to be gone away for a while. Right, go on.
Right! Who wants to fucking fight?
Fighting's over. We're closing up and moving on.
I said who wants to fucking fight? My name is Arthur fucking Shelby. Who dare fight me?
Go home, lad, before you catch yourself a spanking.
My brother in Digbeth just said the police are coming down from Derryton in numbers, asking for Tommy Shelby by name. Shit.
I'm going to have to lie low for a while.
Why?
I lost my bargaining power. This copper is just me and him now. When I get back, I'm going to tell you some things.
Harry said the police are already in Digbeth.
Yeah.
You took a chance coming here. Why?
The police are in the line, Tommy.